Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, sir and ma'am. I'm Rhea Cabandi, 31 years old. I live in Taguig. I'm single, and I am fifth in the family.
Okay. Do you have any experience as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am, in Singapore.
How long you work in Singapore?
2 years. I finished my contract.
Oh, from what year?
Since 2013 to 2015.
How many family members in their house?
5.
Who are they?
The couple and 3 children. The oldest is 12 years old, the next is 11, and the youngest is 10 years old.
What are your duties in their house?
I wake up at the morning at 5 a.m. I prepare the breakfast. I send the children to school. And I fix the mess. I do laundry. I mop the house. Clean the house. I sweep the floor. And then I prepare lunch. And I pick up the children. After that, I prepare the dinner.
What time you usually sleep at night?
I sleep at night at 10 p.m.
Can you take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
Like what?
Chicken curry, chicken rice, chicken soup, black pork, I fry vegetable, and I'm ready to learn more.
Are you afraid of a dog or cat?
No?
In Hong Kong, some of employers, they have pet. You also need to take care of the pet.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have day off in your previous work?
Yes, ma'am.
Weekly?
Yes, ma'am.
In Hong Kong, you also have a weekly day off. But sometimes, if you have no day off, the employer is willing to pay. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am. It's okay.
Who encouraged you to work in Hong Kong?
Myself.
Your parents also allowed you to go?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or relatives working in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am. My cousin.
Why you want to work in Hong Kong?
To achieve my goal and to help my parents.
Do you have any plans 5 years from now?
Yes, ma'am. To have my own house and lot and small business.
What are your characteristics as a person?
My characteristic as a person, I'm loyal, honest, hardworking, and I try to finish my 2 years contract.
What are your hobbies?
Cooking.
Do you have any message to your future employer?
Sir, ma'am, if you accept me as a helper, I promise you to serve you as I can, and I am loyal and willing to learn more and to make you satisfied my service. Thank you, ma'am, and